In this tutorial, we will learn how to distributing digital loyalty cards for existing customers. Once you have successfully logged in, proceed to the menu located on the left-hand side. Click on the mailings icon from the list of modules. Consequently, you will be directed to the mailing section. Click on the Actions button. Select Create a Mailing. Let's come up with a suitable name for the email delivery. Here, you can decide whether to select the delivery method using the Twilio SMS provider or utilize Mailgun's email option. We will choose the email option because it allows us to provide more extensive and detailed information to our existing customers. Once selected, click on the Create a Mailing button. Here, we have an opportunity to choose whether we need to send email for all customers or selected segment. As we are importing existing customers and we do not have any clients, now we will choose for all customers. To obtain a more comprehensive guide on the selected segment, please refer to the related video. Write the subject here. A vital element of this input field is to show a link that enables existing customers to effortlessly install the card. Now, let's take a closer look at how to do it with ease. After pasting the text, we can replace certain sections with variables. In order to do this, simply select the text that you wish to replace. In our particular case, we will be focusing on replacing the first name. To reveal a drop-down of the variables, locate and tap on the icon positioned in the upper right corner. Click on the first name field. That's it! Now find the location where we should insert the installation link. Click the variables icon once more. Choose Card Issue Link. Select the card of your choice to distribute among your customers. In our given scenario, it would be the digital loyalty stamp card for ATV rentals. Simply click the Create a Mailing button. You'll notice that the distribution of digital loyalty cards is conveniently scheduled and displayed in the status bar. Once the status bar is completed, it indicates that the cards have been delivered to your existing customers. Your customers will receive an email from you. Each customer will have unique links tailored specifically for them. When customer clicks on the installation link, the card issuing form will be pre-filled automatically with all the customer information. To install the card, users just need to click the installation button and activate push notifications at the top of the installed card after. That's it! In 7 short video tutorials, you learn how to easily sign up, import existing customers, create an ATV rental card, define business locations, set up push notifications, issue digital loyalty cards, and distribute them via email. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Stay motivated, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting features and strategies to level up your business. Take care and see you soon.